Welcome to KMT Engineers, manufacturer and supplier of industrial fastener, an ISO, ASTM, DIN, BS, and ANSI certified company, established in 1995 at Ludhiana. Our products are applicable in automobile, construction, agriculture, and other sectors. We are well known in the market for our high tensile strength, competitive price, and fast delivery. We offer a vast range of industrial nuts, automotive fasteners, tractor and trailer parts. Industrial nuts offered by us are widely appreciated in the market. Our industrial bolts are best in the industry amongst others. We also provide automotive fasteners that are extremely reliable. Along with that, we offer tiller parts that are available at industry-leading prices. We are highly instrumental in presenting a wide spectrum of tractor and trailer parts. To know more about us, please visit our website www.kmtengineers.com.